is when your equation looks like this. You have y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. In this case, your a can't be equal to 0. If your a was equal to 0, it wouldn't be there, and you would actually just have a line. You would have just a linear equation. The next form is called factored form, and factored form looks like this. Y equals a x minus r in brackets and x minus s in brackets. This form tells us the x-intercepts. So that's very important. This form tells us the x-intercepts. So that's super helpful. If you have an equation in this form, your first intercept will be, of course, r, and your second one will be s. The last form is called vertex form, and this form is of the form a x minus h in brackets and then squared plus k. And just as you can tell by the name of it, it is called vertex form because you can tell the vertex. The vertex is going to be hk. So it's always the opposite sign of what's in this bracket. So it says negative h, but we know the vertex is just hk. So there is one more thing we need to discuss, and this is the letter A. For all three of these, if A is positive, so if A is bigger than 0, or in other words, positive, then the parabola or the quadratic opens up. Then the parabola, which is just another word for quadratic, opens up. So this is when you have a situation and your arms open up to the sky. So these are called the arms. They go up to the sky and it opens up. If A is negative, so if it's less than 0, then it opens down. And of course, in this case, our parabola would have a shape that opens down like this.